Thinking about starting a business? You've probably heard the term LLC, but what is it really? And why do so many entrepreneurs choose it when launching their brand? In this video, we'll break it down and show you how to start your LLC in just a few simple steps. So, what is an LLC? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a popular business structure that gives small business owners two of the things they care about most: protection and simplicity. When you form an LLC, you're creating a legal boundary between your personal finances and your business. So if your business ever gets sued or falls into debt, your personal assets like your home, car, and savings are typically protected. Now, unlike corporations, LLCs don't require board meetings, shareholder reports, or complex record keeping. And unlike sole proprietorships, which leave you personally liable, an LLC keeps you protected without the red tape. It's the smarter way to get structure and flexibility with less hassle. Why are LLCs so popular? An LLC is incredibly versatile. You can form one on your own as a single member LLC or with partners, known as members in a multi-member LLC. And when it comes to taxes, you're not locked into one format. Most LLCs use pass-through taxation, where profits are passed through the business and taxed on the individual owner's tax returns. This avoids the double taxation that corporations often deal with. But if it suits your financial strategy, you can also elect to be taxed as an S corporation or even a C corporation. The point is, you have options. Now, let's talk about why forming an LLC is often a smart move for new and growing businesses. Besides liability protection, forming an LLC and securing an employer identification number, an EIN, makes your business official. This allows you to open a business bank account, sign contracts, hire employees, and apply for the right licenses and permits in your company's name, not yours. It adds a level of credibility and professionalism that can matter when you're working with vendors, pitching to clients, or applying for funding. That LLC at the end of your business name tells the world that you're serious. And while no business structure is perfect, LLCs come with significant advantages for most entrepreneurs. You're getting personal asset protection, simplified tax filing options, and fewer requirements than a traditional corporation. That means less time buried in paperwork and more time actually building your business. The administrative requirements for an LLC are manageable. Things like keeping your contact information up to date with the state, filing an annual report, and maintaining basic records. These are much lighter than what a corporation requires. And with the right tools, they're easy to stay on top of. Of course, there are some things to consider. Depending on where you live, you might have to pay an annual LLC fee or franchise tax. Some states also have stricter rules or extra costs for LLCs. And while pass-through taxation is a perk, it also means members may pay self-employment taxes on their share of the income. But in most cases, the pros outweigh the cons, especially for solo founders and small teams looking to launch quickly and stay protected. Now, let's compare an LLC to another common structure, the C corporation. Both LLCs and C corporations offer limited liability protection, which is the legal safeguard that separates your personal and business assets. But they differ in structure, complexity, and how they're taxed. A C corporation is a completely separate legal entity that pays its own taxes. It can issue stock and attract outside investments from venture capitalists, which is why many startups and tech companies choose this route. However, corporations are subject to double taxation. The company pays taxes on its profits, and then shareholders pay taxes again on dividends. Corporations also come with strict rules, like holding formal meetings, maintaining a board of directors, and keeping detailed records. Now, LLCs, on the other hand, are far more flexible. They don't have shareholders or a board, and they don't require corporate formalities. They're easier to set up, easier to run, and for many small businesses, they provide all the protection without the corporate complexity. That makes LLCs a practical and popular choice for freelancers, consultants, online businesses, service providers, and brick-and-mortar shops alike. So, How do you actually form an LLC? The process is more straightforward than most people expect, and it only takes 5 key steps. And the good news, ZenBusiness can help with each one. Step 1 is naming your LLC. You'll need to pick a name that isn't already taken in your state and that follows your state's rules. The right name is memorable, relevant, and unique to your industry. It's one of the first signals of credibility for your brand. To help you get it right, ZenBusiness offers a free business name generator. It's a simple tool that helps you brainstorm ideas, check availability, and move forward with confidence. Step 2 is appointing a registered agent. This is the person or service responsible for receiving legal documents and official notices on behalf of your business. Every state requires one, and your registered agent must have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. ZenBusiness offers a registered agent service that meets these requirements. It ensures your business stays in good standing and that you don't miss important documents. Everything received is stored in your secure ZenBusiness dashboard for easy access. Step 3 is filing your certificate of formation. This is the legal document that officially forms your LLC with the state. Once it's filled and approved, your business becomes a legally recognized entity. ZenBusiness handles this step for you. Their standard filing service is included in every package and backed by a 100% accuracy guarantee, so you can be confident everything is submitted correctly. Step 4 is creating an operating agreement. While not required in every state, it's strongly recommended. This internal document outlines how your LLC is structured, who owns what, how profits are shared, how decisions are made, and more. It helps prevent disputes and shows that you take your business seriously. ZenBusiness includes an operating agreement template with their Pro and Premium packages, making it easy to put your structure in writing from day one. Step 5 is applying for an EIN, an employer identification number. This number, issued by the IRS, is required for things like opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. ZenBusiness can take care of this too. The Pro and Premium packages include EIN filing as part of the service, saving you the hassle of dealing with the IRS directly. And that's it. Those are the 5 essential steps to forming your LLC. It may sound like a lot, but when you use ZenBusiness, a platform trusted by over 800,000 businesses, the entire process becomes fast, clear, and manageable. With ZenBusiness, you can create your LLC in just a few easy steps. You start by choosing the package that fits your business. The starter package is $0 plus state fees and includes standard filing with a 100% accuracy guarantee. Great if you're looking for an affordable way to make your business official. The Pro package is $199 per year plus state fees and adds rush filing, an operating agreement template, EIN, and worry-free compliance. Ideal if you want faster processing and year-round support to stay compliant. The Premium package is $299 per year plus state fees and includes everything in Pro, plus tools to grow your online presence like a business website, domain name, business email, and premium support. As for timing, ZenBusiness processes starter filings in 5 to 7 business days. Pro and Premium packages include rush filing, with processing in just 1 business day. State filing times vary, but ZenBusiness ensures their part is handled quickly and accurately. Now, state fees depend on where you form your LLC, typically ranging from $50 to $300, and ZenBusiness makes all costs clear upfront, no hidden fees, and no surprises. So whether you're forming your first business or taking a side hustle to the next level, ZenBusiness is a worry-free way to get started with confidence. Now, if you're asking yourself, is an LLC right for me? The answer depends on your goals. If you're looking for liability protection, flexibility, and a manageable way to grow your business, an LLC is likely a great fit. It offers the structure and credibility you need to operate professionally, with fewer hoops to jump through than other options. Whether you're launching a side hustle, freelancing full-time, opening a shop, or building an online brand, forming an LLC could be one of the smartest decisions you make early on. So, are you ready to make it official? Business is complicated. ZenBusiness makes it easy. over 800,000 businesses have trusted ZenBusiness to get started. Their platform offers fast, affordable, expert-backed support that helps small business owners succeed. With formation, compliance, finances, and guidance all in one place, ZenBusiness gives you everything you need to start strong and stay protected as you grow. The starter package begins at $0 plus state fees, making it an accessible option no matter your budget. Check the link in the description to start your LLC with ZenBusiness today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.